It seems like the Steam Deck has finally found its worthy competitor. Pimax Portal, the upcoming handheld, comes with an all-in-one gaming system, which many people are saying is a perfect deal for the value of your money. Let's find out more in today's comparison video between the Pimax Portal versus the Steam Deck.
Looking for an animation studio that can turn your story or idea into animated visuals? Look no further than 10 Studio. Our team of experts creates animated explainer videos that simplify complex ideas and bring your message to life. Our experience can help you tell your story in a way that engages your target audience and makes them remember it. Don't miss out on this opportunity to stand out from your competition. Visit our website to know more at www.10.studio.
Judging by the look of the Pimax Portal's design, it does seem like it's heavily inspired by Nintendo Switch rather than the Steam Deck, because both sides of the handheld include detachable controllers. On the left side, you'll find a D-pad, left trigger, and 3 Android functional buttons. Similarly, the right controller includes a right trigger on the top, ABXY buttons, select and start, and 3 additional buttons as key mapping. Other than that, each side holds 2 additional buttons which you can later customize with any command as you wish. Also, both left and right thumbsticks are equipped with beautiful LED RGB glow, which looks absolutely fantastic. Steam Deck, on the other hand, follows more of a traditional handheld style but with its own unique design layout. Although it doesn't have detachable controller support, both thumbsticks are beautifully designed with built-in capacitive touch sensors. And the positioning of triggers include ABXY buttons and D-pad just in the right place as they should be. On top of that, both sides also include additional trackpads and grip buttons, making it more convenient and game-friendly. Lastly, Steam Deck also includes a few other functional keys such as the View button, Steam key, menu, and Quick Access button. So aesthetically, we have to admit that Pimax Portal looks way more attractive compared to the Steam Deck. As we move on to the internal specifications, we see that Pimax Portal is run by Android OS while the Steam Deck is mainly using Steam OS, but it also supports Windows and Linux OS as well. Pimax Portal is powered by a Qualcomm XR2 processor with a boosted frequency of 2.84 GHz, Qualcomm Adreno 650 GPU, along with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage capacity. The display, on the other hand, is fantastic. 5.5-inch display features 4K resolution using QLED plus Mini LED technology and 144Hz of refresh rate, ensuring crisp colors and clean visuals. But what's even more impressive, it's fully compatible with the Portal View VR headset, which is why it got so many cameras at the back of each corner. In comparison, Steam Deck comes with way powerful features and internal hardware support. AMD Zen 2 processor with 3.5 GHz boosted frequency, 8-core RDNA2 GPU with maximum 1.6 GHz of boosted frequency, along with 16 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB of storage capacity, which can run most of the modern AAA games. As for the display, it comes with a 7-inch LCD screen with 1280 by 800 resolution and 60 Hz of refresh rate, which seems a bit less powerful than the Pimax Portal's QLED technology. So yes, Pimax Portal is not even close to Steam Deck's performance since it's mainly designed to play retro and other modern 2D and 3D games. But it does have a dedicated VR headset support for an immersive gaming experience. Moving on to our final section of the discussion, which is the price tag, we see that the starting price for the Pimax Portal is $399 MSRP, and the QLED version costs $549, while the price for Steam Deck also starts at $399, and the maxed out version with 512 GB SSD costs around slightly higher, $649. In conclusion, we are finally seeing a handheld which comes in almost a similar price range as the Steam Deck, but then again, Steam Deck is capable of running powerful modern games, while the Pimax Portal does not seem to have promising hardware to run these games. But it does have 4K QLED display, which is also less expensive than the Steam Deck. So in terms of performance, Steam Deck gives you the most value for your money. On another side, if you want to enjoy some quality time playing video games with your family and experience VR at the same time, then Pimax Portal can be a great choice too. So, that was all about our today's comparison video on Pimax Portal versus Steam Deck. Thanks for watching. If you found this video to be helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let us know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.